Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, we'll be styling a unit from beautyforever.com, and I'm just going to show you guys what is in my package. So I got about 5 headbands or about 6. You can get all these headbands on the website, so everything is available that you are seeing in this video on the website. So the hair that we'll be styling today is a 99J headband wig. You guys know I've been loving me my quick headband wigs. I ain't gotta worry about gluing it down. I ain't gotta worry about no lace being melted. I don't have to worry about anything at all except to style this hair in literally minutes. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig, the combs. There's about 4 combs on the inside, so you know to get that fitted feel. And also I love when the headband wigs have the adjustable straps on the inside so that you can tighten it along with the headband of the actual headband wig. So I just washed my hair, so the shrinkage is real, and I'm just gonna put some oil on my scalp. I always use some type of oil. I ran out of my certified Bella scalp oil, so I need to reorder that. Y'all know I gotta have my oil on my scalp, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just using my Mish Beauty scalp oil, and then I'm just gonna massage that in. I already used leave-in and all that good stuff. I'm gonna be giving you guys a video soon on how I prep my hair for a protective style by like deep conditioning and then moisturizing and all that good stuff. So I'll give you guys a full video on that later on. So with the headband wigs, you already know you gotta push them edges back, you know, get it to look sleek and nice, like it's blended, like it's a full wig. If you don't have like full edges, I always recommend getting a black edge control because that will give you a super full look. I've done it in previous videos, but I could be sure to add that in a next video to just show you guys how full you can get your edges to look by using black edge control. So you don't have to be intimidated by headband wigs unless obviously it's like a severe loss of your edges. But if they're more on the thin side more than anything else, black edge control is the way to go. So anyway, so I'm just going to show you guys the easy way to do this. You already know how headband wigs go. You just tighten it in the back, and then if you want even a more secure feel, you can put an extra headband over it. But guys, look how much of a struggle this is to push the headband back because this wig is snug. Okay, this wig is snug, not in a bad way, but in a good way where it's not like giving me a headache or nothing like that, but in a way that it feels like, girl, if I was going to get into a fight, this thing will be secured, even though, you know, you don't want to test that out anyway, but you still want to make sure that it's fitted. So anyway, so that's basically it. The most amazing part of this wig that I'm trying on right now is that it is super snug. So I'm really impressed by how fitted the headband wig is. So I'm just gonna flat iron the hair and style it up, and that's basically it. It's in 26 inches. It's just a straight 99J color, and the direct link will be on the website for you guys to check that out. Okay, beautiful people, now this is the end of the video. Look how beautiful that is against my skin. I just love the 99J color. The link to the hair will be in the description box down below. As I said, it is in 26 inches. And yeah, that's basically it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, you need to go on ahead and subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @damnthatschev. And I'll see you beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.